Weight limit 8 tons. Well, let's see. Gotta be pretty close there, because that thing's probably 3 tons. Trailer's probably, I don't know. And then you got the truck. Maybe around 7 tons. Maybe. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. What do you think, Briggs? Briggs, could you smell a good deal?
So, I talked the guy down from $1,800 to $1,500, $20 for gas for him to deliver it. It has a Wisconsin 4-cylinder engine. He says it burns a little oil and smokes a little bit. He thinks it needs piston rings, but I think it'll probably be good for a while. That's why I got it so cheap. All the hydraulics work. It's not clutch driven, it's hydraulic driven. The bucket disconnect is kind of messed up. You see that right there. I need to take that off and see if I can remanufacture it with a hammer. But it raises all the hydraulics work. I'm going to go ahead and start it now. I just hooked up the battery. I hope I did it right.
Switch.